Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Eli here from the Deep Discounts Club, and today we are taking a look at this Khione 4 set of pickleball paddles. So let's go ahead and open up the bag that it comes in. The paddles are each individually wrapped. It has 2 of these Black Panther designs, and then it also has 2 of these mountain designs. In addition to the 4 paddles, it comes with 6 balls in total. There are 4 outdoor balls and 2 indoor balls. The indoor balls have bigger and less holes than the outdoor balls. And then it also comes with 4 of these, which are extra grip tapes for the handles. I haven't needed those yet. The grip is really nice on these. So let's just go in here. Here's all that grip tape. And then it also comes with this strap. But if you want to put that over your shoulder, you can actually put the bag over your shoulder as well. And then it's got this zipper on the side here, which is basically a big pocket that you can put things in. If you have pickleball gloves, or if you want to put the balls in here, you can do that. And it fits all the paddles and the balls really nicely. You don't have to worry about putting the things in a certain way. You can kind of just go ahead and throw everything in there. And they all fit in there very snugly. And overall, the set is very lightweight. Let's go ahead and see how well these hit on the pickleball court.